Hey YouTube, welcome back. Next step, I told you guys that I'd had to build a work surface for my enormous new angle grinder or belt sander that came in. So I've been working on that. My buddy Bill came by and did some welding for me yesterday. Very inspiring work. But I've got legs on a table stand, and I'm going to have to put some brackets on there to reinforce them so it doesn't sway back and forth or front to back when I'm putting any type of pressure on my belt grinder. I'll show you where I'm at so far. Alright, so we've got a steel plate as our base here. Bill put these legs on for me, nice and sturdy, welded on really nice. He did a good job. I'm happy. But yeah, so this is my tilting 90-degree base that I bought to go with the belt grinder, and it's almost centered. You know, I didn't measure or anything, but what I'm going to do is take this flat bar stock that's slotted. I'm going to cut it to fit in each one of my legs. I've got that, so I'm going to bolt it on the inside so that it doesn't collapse, but it won't allow it to flex out. So I'm going to do the bottoms, and then I'm probably going to run some holes midway through and then do it again. So I'm going to have 4 braces going all the way around. And since I've got this pretty much close, I am going to measure and center it, but I'm going to pre-drill my holes. That way when I flip this thing over to mount this, it's already going to have the holes drilled. So that's where we stand for now. Yeah, buddy. Got braces on all 4 sides. Got the forge running because it was damn cold in here. Woo! Look at that heat. Got a special guest appearance today. Co-worker came by. Tom. Hi, Tom. So, next step, I've already drilled my holes, pre-drilled for the 90-degree mounting bracket. So I'm going to put this thing on its feet and set that on there and see how I like it. Alright guys, we have it bolted down. It's a very solid surface, not much wiggle. This is the 90-degree tilting stand, and this is one of the opponents or components for the system itself. There it is on a 90. There it is set straight up. So I am going to finish assembling this and see what happens. All right, here is our assembly. All hooked up. I even opened the box and put a belt on there. Now I'm not going to lie, I fired it up prior to starting this because I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to blow apart on video, because that would just be stupid. So I'm going to turn this on and show you guys how relatively quiet this is. That's our RPM control. Max is not a fan like normal, but it is what it is. And if I want to tilt it on a 90, I just loosen this up a little bit right here. Lays on a 90. Tighten that back up. Now this I did not do on film, so we're catching this for the first time. Alright, hang on. trying to figure this whole system out because this is new to me. No, that's not going to go. There we go. I got to click it up twice. Okay. I love it. Very worthwhile investment. Next step is to get a blade going and see how well it works. I appreciate your time, YouTube. You guys make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, as I always say. But yeah, let's get this thing going and back onto more projects. So that's how that went. I have no idea. Never mind. I found it. I was looking for my remote to turn off this camera so you don't hear me babbling. But you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hopefully most of you are on a holiday weekend. Peace.